Hello, and thanks for considering Unitrends. I speak with IT pros like you every day, and most often it's because they're dealing with inadequate, complex or costly backup and DR solutions. Add on top of that, the sheer anxiety that comes with the threat of ransomware attacks and failed recoveries, and that's a pretty stressful situation for anyone. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can implement a simple yet complete backup and DR strategy for less cost, less management, and a lot less anxiety. You'll be able to prove it works, and it's future-proofed as your data grows and moves to the cloud. If you have questions or want to learn more, simply give us a call or email us at info@unitrends.com. Let's get started. It all starts with a backup appliance. Our customers that want the simplest deployment and support experience buy an all-in-one recovery series appliance. It's all in one, which means you get the compute, storage, software, operating system, security, and every bell and whistle we have to offer. That includes self-healing hardware and proactive support, which is based on Unitrends' cloud-based predictive support analytics. If you have your own hardware or are protecting data in public clouds, our virtual appliances deploy almost anywhere, including Nutanix AHV, AWS, and Azure. You'll notice that unlike a lot of other vendors, you don't need 5 or more vendors to create this solution. You get the whole solution from Unitrends with a single support call. And you can scale to thousands of appliances across the world in a single UI. This is your foundation. From here, you can replicate data anywhere, manage data for long periods of time, as well as automate DR testing, failover, compliance, malware scanning, and even ransomware detection. This includes integration with a white-glove Unitrends cloud service that is purpose-built for backup and DR, and solves many key gaps you don't get with general-purpose clouds, namely fast, automated recoveries with real SLAs. Check your protection status at a glance. The Unitrends dashboard puts all of the information you need to manage and protect your entire backup and DR environment at your fingertips. No need for a separate reporting server or a SQL Server instance like other vendors. You can manage all of your Unitrends appliances through a single pane of glass with the Unitrends Distributed Enterprise Management feature. You can use it to log directly into the remote system, add backup statistics from all managed appliances to the other dashboard tiles, see the status of all your backups in one tile. Red icons indicate a backup issue. Drill down for more information so you can fix it before you back up again. Hazard icon here indicates a possible malware attack. Here you can easily see and track copies that you may be replicating off-site or to the cloud for DR. Here you see the jobs that are running, storage utilization, replication status. The interface is built to make it easy for you to manage thousands of backups. These customizable tiles let you put the information you need where you can see it. Recovery assurance testing results show you what your actual recovery time and actual recovery point will be in the event of a failure. That's one of our coolest features. We'll talk more about it in a minute. Configuration. In the Configure tab, you can see the virtual hosts and physical machines in your environment. Start adding the servers or VMs and which virtual disks you want to protect. Schedule all your backups in 2 steps. SLA policy automation lets you easily create and manage all jobs and settings for 90% of all backup jobs. This policy-driven, automated protection of assets ensures you meet your recovery SLAs. Now your backup strategy is aligned with your business continuity plan. Choose the assets to include. Set the RTO and RPO you want to maintain. All aspects of protection are now orchestrated by our built-in proprietary engine. You can also create backup policies manually. You can make an inclusion and exclusion list. Build out a whole custom calendar if you want to. Unitrends Recovery Assurance. One of the coolest capabilities is our data copy access capability that automatically spins up and tests your backup environment in an offline sandbox. You can test patches, bug fixes, and other changes in a safe offline environment. Recovery assurance testing shown here uses this capability. In this pie chart, you can see whether the actual RTO and RPO was met. Instant recovery. You can recover the entire system or a single file from both backups of virtual machines and agent-based backups. This includes easy bare metal restores of physical machines with no plugins or add-ons required. You can also restore application-specific data from SQL, Exchange, or Oracle or use instant recoveries and replicas to spin up new VMs from the backup in a few clicks. Unitrends has optimized file recovery from login to file restoration. An admin can complete the full process in under 5 minutes. Unitrends provides the highest level of protection, the least IT hassle, and proof and confidence in your ability to recover. Get a free trial now. Visit us at unitrends.com.